Now Derek with the Eliminex. We're doing a trapping for squirrels. It's January 12th. Got some ground traps here with the covers. Got a shelf. Going to install a shelf at the gable here where they come in and out. I'm going to put a trap on that shelf there. And I'm going up there to take a look, see exactly what's going on. Go up the ladder. Oh, the ladder's too vertical. Okay, gonna go up. Already saw a squirrel on the branches here, hanging out. So we see where the homeowner. Oh, there's a squirrel right there. There's a squirrel right there. He's poking his head out. You can see his tail. So, yeah. Oh, that's good. What's going on? He's in there. It's emitting heat. They chewed all these louvers. Yeah. So I'm going to put a shelf right here above this gable. And then after I trap the squirrels, we're going to seal it up. And then I'm going to put wire over this gable because they're just going in there and chewing into the gable there. They're attracted to the heat. And that should be that. Oh, they're looking at me. You looking at me? Where is he at? He's in there. He's in there fucking around. Hey little rascal, where are you at? We're gonna get you. Oh, he's on the other side. He's on the other side. See him? He's running towards me. I can't zoom in. I'm wearing gloves. I can't zoom in. See him? You see his little tail? See him running around in there? Digging around on that insulation, little rascal. I'm gonna get you. Alright. And Derek with the Eliminex. We're gonna get started on this job. Alright, bye-bye.